Today we learn how to do the knee rolls. Hi, I'm Priya from Priya Dance Company and welcome to the Folk Fusion Project. Today we learn the knee roll, which is another styling technique used in Garba performances. Before we begin, if there's anyone that has issues with the knee, please be careful while trying this step. So the first most important thing to remember during a knee roll is to keep your core up. What that means is not to allow your body to sink so much that all your weight goes on your knee. At the end of the day, we want to do a knee roll, but we don't want our knees to get bruised. So let's begin with the footwork of the knee roll. Now to begin the knee roll, we'll start with keeping our knees apart. Right now, my hip is resting on the ankles. I'll take my right knee, join it to my left leg and lift my hip up. So I'll take my right leg, join to the left knee and go up. From here, I'll take my left knee, bring it back here and I'll sit on my ankles again. Same thing again, I take my right knee, join with my left leg and lift my hip up. Come here. Then I took my left leg, took it out and sat on my ankle again. So I went up, I sat down. So I'll show you what not to do, which makes the step more difficult. So we started out with our knees out and my hips sitting on my ankle. Now imagine instead of sitting straight, I bring my weight down into a slouch. Okay, I'm like that. Now when I lift up, ow, I'm already feeling pain in my knee. And then I sit. Okay, I'm already feeling the pain. So that just goes to show that you should not do that. Let's try the same thing and let's see whether we can do it faster on counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Fantastic. Arm variations of the knee roll. There's no particular arm variation as such. You can do whatever you like. The few common options are, one is to keep your hands straight when you're doing this. The second is if you're wearing a skirt, especially a skirt which has a lot of flare, you might want to lift your skirt up so that it doesn't get tangled in between your legs. Let's do the footwork of knee rolls with the first arm variation, which is straight hands with the counts. In 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Let's do the second arm variation where I'm holding the ghagra. I'm going to make a quick change into a ghagra. Alright, so for the second variation, just remember one thing. When you're doing a knee roll with a ghagra, momentum is your best friend. So if you're trying to slow knee rolls, there's a big chance that the ghagra will get caught in your legs. But if you do it fast, the ghagra will probably fly along and it won't get caught. So just remember that you don't want to have too much flare in the front. So I'm going to get all the flare out and I'm going to try and hold it as much as possible. So my front doesn't have too much flare. Footwork of the knee roll with the arm variation 2 with counts. In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, that's it from my side. Make sure you practice enough and also make sure you always keep your core up so that your knees don't hurt. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That's it from my side from the Folk Fusion Project.